Hey, Rob Edwards here from Park Gurus. I want to invite you to Arlington, Texas, March 1 and 2. Why? Why do you ask? Because we have the Design to Part trade show happening here at that Expo Center. That's where all things great are happening manufacturing. Come on by and see stuff like this.
Which is the eSports Stadium, I believe. That place is really cool.
These floors will be covered with hundreds of American job shops, contract manufacturers.
American manufacturers only. These are the best in the country. And they're going to be all over the trade show floor behind me.
There to help you redesign or better design. There to help you make your parts better, faster, quicker, and right here in America.
The real benefit is that you could touch, see, and feel sample parts. You talk to the people that make it. They're going to be standing there face to face, and that's what you really want.
Especially, you're going to meet one of the best providers of CNC, CNC Swiss, and screw machine products. And that is us, Roberts Automatic Products. I'm Matt, here's our booth, and come and see me.
Or do you need plastic injection molding? You should stop by to see Hardy Spence at Ash Industries in booth 114.
You talked to Hardy about this program called Supermold. If you need quick turn plastic injection molded parts in the real material, this is not 3D printing.
We created a flat rate program in order for you to get the tooling you need and the parts in low volumes. Afterward, you can go directly into production.
These are all the Park Gurus that are on the show floor. They're specialists at solving your problems.
Did you mention that the show's free?
Admission is free. Just sign up right here. You should come on March 1 and 2, Wednesday, Thursday, Arlington, Texas.